Hey guys, welcome back to Roshara's World. So guys, the latest update from Accenture's and that they have started sending the joining date and the location to the second phase of hiring candidates. So let's discuss in detail. So they have basically started sending the gear up for day one at Accenture, which is the 28th of October in Bangalore. I mean the location which they have assigned you will be mentioned here on the top of the subject, and 28th of October is your joining date. Okay, now here it is mentioned that we are pleased to inform you that they extend your opportunity to join on in Accenture on 28th of October. So most of the people are getting 28th. If you haven't received the this kind of email yet, so don't worry, you will soon expect such email with maybe a different date of joining, but yes, you will definitely get it. So yeah, don't worry at all. So yes, this was an update from Accenture. After this email guys, you can expect the further emails for the onboarding process. So they will let you know, they will email you for the further process. So don't worry, let's wait for the joining. So all the best guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates, and do not forget to share with your friends as well. Till then guys, have a great day. Be safe.